Welcome back everyone to another video about how to with an iPhone. So today everyone knows the new WWDC 2020 announcement from Apple, and iOS 14 has been announced and will be released in September. Also the watchOS 7 as well. But I was able to get my hands on the beta profiles, and let me show you guys how to install the beta profile, and then let's go see what changed in the new iOS 14. So to get started, you want to go to Safari, you want to go to betaprofile.com. From here, you could choose iOS or iPad OS 14, watchOS 7, tvOS 14, or the new Mac Big Sur. That's their new Mac OS of 2020, Big Sur. Anyway, so to get started, you click on, let's say, iOS 14, click download, and once you download, a beta profile will pop up. So you will go to profile and device management, and it's gonna say iOS iPad 14 beta, and you allow it. Let me show that one more time. That setting is when you click general, you scroll down to profile and device management. I already did that, so we're gonna go to software update. And as you can see right now, iOS 14 public beta is downloading. Now, I was kind of hesitant on doing the public beta because, like always, their first beta until the Golden Master is very horrible, a lot of bugs, but I want to bring it to you guys first and show you what's the difference in the iOS 14. So let me get this process installed, and I'll be back when everything completes. And also I will update my watch to OS 7 so you could see what new features it comes with as well. Alright guys, so I have just updated my phone to iOS 14. Let me quickly show you. So when you go to About, it says software version 14.0. Now, what changed? So let's start from the left of the apps. Now the widgets, they're more fluid. You could see that the top stories are now colored a little differently, different icons. But the coolest thing is the widget called, let me show you. You click edit homepage, you click that plus button, and there's a widget called Smart Stack. So what does Smart Stack do? First of all, you could move Smart Stack or any widget now to your main screen. Home page, for example. So instead of having it on the widget side, you could now have it on top. And what Smart Stack does, it gives you all your widgets in one by just scrolling through it. It saves room, it's nice, easy, and you could customize it. Now, next feature is the phone call. They changed that. Now remember when you were, let's say, browsing Facebook or playing games, for example, I'm playing Brawl Stars, and someone called you, it would completely kick you out of the screen and it gives you that whole big notification. Now let me show you what happens now. So Techaton is calling me, DOS, and now it doesn't kick you out of the screen, it gives you this little icon. Now if you want to answer it, you could click that, and now it brings you to the big screen like it used to. So that changed, and now you don't have to get kicked out from what you're doing. One more demonstration is picture-in-picture. I'm gonna have Techaton call me again. So like you see, small icon. Now when he calls me, I'll answer it. And let me mute my mic. So that's Techaton. Now I could just slide out, and now you see this picture-in-picture. So now I could be checking my messages, or let's see if I could launch a game. So I could even be playing a game and FaceTiming with him. So why am I excited about this? Well, guess what? Android users had this feature for, well, I don't know, since 2010. And we iPhone users, you know, with the struggles nowadays, Apple was like, you know, 2020, times are tough. Let me reward you with something old. And we finally got it, guys. Techaton's laughing out loud right here, you know, but alright, Techaton, thank you for the video demo. So that's picture-in-picture. Next is the Translate app. Now I have this set up ready from Russian to English. Let me give you guys a quick demo. Пожалуйста, подпишитесь к моему каналу и спасибо, что вы следите за моим каналом.
Please subscribe to my channel and thank you for following my channel.
So now you got the Translate app right on your phone. You don't need to download an extra app. And it works with multiple languages right now. It supports, I believe, 10 languages, Russian, Chinese, let's see, German, Japanese, Portuguese, Spanish, Arabic, French. And they said more languages are coming. So it's a cool app to have now. What else changed? Now, if you slide all the way to the right of your phone, you got this app library. And they try to organize the apps you use the most, like suggested ones, Instagram, Facebook, the game I just launched, and the Translate app. And then they organize it depending on the categories. You could click app library and you could scroll through the apps more easier. I guess that's a cool thing to have. Now, let's check Safari. Let's go to Yahoo. So let's say you go to Yahoo and you want to read the news and you want to see what's going on with this web page. You click those AA button and you click tracking report. And now it tells you what's happening. So there's known trackers prevented, 12. And websites that contracted trackers, 100%. And you could click on this, for example, and you could see all the trackers that you would be, for example, getting tracked on if you're on Windows. So all those cookies, all those suggested things you're getting as ads, Apple is blocking it. And this is all of the stuff. So also we got the website settings. So you could change the settings, but this was an iOS 13. They just made it a little bit easier to use. Hey Siri. So now you guys could see that Siri button changed completely. She's now, without giving you the whole screen again, it's a button on the bottom of your phone. So that makes it easier to use as well. So those are the main apps that come with the iPhone that I want to go over. There's more apps like the HomeKit, etc. But I went over the apps that I will be using every day, and I think most of the people will be using it every day as well. So thank you guys for watching. Give me a thumbs up, follow, subscribe, and tune into my Apple Watch OS video, and I'll show you guys new features of the OS 7. I'll see you later.